Hi friends, welcome back to another video of English Guru Campus. In this video, we are going to talk about how can you prepare for IELTS writing. I'm sure you know that your essay should be, well structured, coherent, and address all parts of the task. The information should be relevant, but we always think how on earth do we achieve that? So in this video, I want to share a simple method which will help you improve your writing technique and get a high score in IELTS writing. The method is based on model answers, which are, it's always good, which are good examples of good essays. And I'm sure you like reading those. I'm going to tell you what you need to do, learn how to write a great essay yourself. The method involves 4 steps and will require some work on from your side as well. I hope you are not afraid of hard work. So let's get into the first one. First of all, find a model answer. It should be a good quality essay with proper structure and grammar. I'm gonna share, I already shared a PDF of my model answer on our mobile application English Guru Campus. You can download it in Play Store. Link is there in the description. Okay, and along with that I have a one word of warning: don't use examples. Okay, you have your model answer on our application. Now don't read through it, don't even look through it. First of all, what we have to do is you just read the topic and write your own essay, and use a timer to make sure you don't spend more than 20 minutes on task 1 and more than 40 minutes on task 2, like you're attending a real exam. Now let's go to your model answer. Just reading through is not enough, right? So you need to work through it in the following way. Well, first of all, print it on a paper and put your comments on it. Now look at the structure of the model answer. Like, we have to ask these questions, like what do they talk about in each paragraph, what arguments do they use, and how does it support the arguments, and what does they talk about the introduction and the conclusion. Okay, but we still remember the structure of our essay, so it will be highly beneficial for you to compare it with the structure of a successful essay. Now let's switch to the vocabulary and grammar. Read the model answer again, paying attention to any grammatical structures or any phrases which you wouldn't write yourself but you could use in your essays. Highlight them and learn them. That's how you expand your vocabulary and you improve the complexity of your writing. When you know the model answer inside out, go to your own essay and analyze it. What could you do better? Is all the information relevant to the topic? Is your position clear throughout the essay? Check it for any mistakes and especially typos you can find yourself. You can actually discover that you make similar mistakes over and over again, even when you know the correct way of saying things. I know it happens. So by that point, you know exactly how to write a better essay next time. So let's do that. Yes, write another essay on the same topic. You will see how much better you do the second time around. That's a way to improve your writing techniques, not only for IELTS exam. I think it will be beneficial for you for any writing tasks in your life. It may sound like a hard work, and it is, and that what brings real results. And don't feel overwhelmed by all these amazing model answers. People don't write them in 20 minutes, and we have to know that IELTS examiners know really well what can be achieved within that time frame. So you can get a great score even if your essay is quite far from being perfect. You can read about the IELTS and can have some free materials from our application. Please download it, and I encourage you to try this method yourself. It really helped me, and let me know the results. I also have a video explaining how to write the essay task 2 step by step coming soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching me today and all the best with your preparation.